Jesus. Are you serious? No. Fuck. Well, guys, got some bad news. Jixer Boy's bike is no more. She blew up on her way back from the gentleman's ride. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing good. I know it's been a while since you guys heard from us, but I got good news. We're back. My brother got a new bike, so we'll be able to continue doing videos. We stopped posting because we didn't have any content left to put out, but we're back now, and we're gonna do a reveal video of what my brother got, so that should be the next video you guys see, so be sure to look forward to that. It should be exciting stuff. Man, it feels good to be back. I haven't ridden since my brother's bike went down. I could have, but I had some stuff that I had to fix on the bike, and I just felt kind of bad if I was out riding when I knew he couldn't. I'm sure most people would, but I don't know. This wasn't the same. But for all of you that stuck with us, we appreciate it more than anything. I wanted to update you guys, but just didn't really have a way to, and really didn't have any information yet, so you know, I didn't really know, I guess, what to say, because you know, I was just trying to make things happen and, you know, do anything I could to get him another bike. So there wasn't really much to update, and things have just been crazy. You know, I've been working so hard to try and get him situated with something, and it's just been really hard. But we're back. We have so much awesome stuff in store for you guys. We got a bunch of cool things coming up, so look forward to that, because I know I am. I'm not gonna lie, man, I fantasized about this day for a long time. I missed it. Missed riding and talking to you guys and making content for you guys, but we're back. Took a while, but promise it was worth the wait. Fucking almost lost my remote. missed the video, we're back officially. Do me a favor though, let me know what you guys think my brother's bike is. Leave a comment down below what you guys think it is. I'm gonna laugh if some of you guess it, but I don't think you will. But anyways, until then, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.